Hello everyone, welcome back again to another beautiful video. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I want to share with you this amazing and delicious peanut burger. Yes, this is coated peanut burger, and I know after watching this video you're going to love making yourself your own peanut burger at home. So let's get started. Okay, so for my ingredients, I will need some fresh peanuts, sugar, so that I have some salt as well. I will need some vanilla essence, all-purpose flour, milk powder as well, and my 2 eggs. So for the peanuts, you can use the fresh peanuts or the roasted peanut, but the fresh one works perfectly fine. So in a bowl, I'll add in my peanuts, and make sure you don't have any stones or any unwanted particles in your peanuts. Make sure everything is well clean. Okay, so to that I'm going to add in hot water and 1 tablespoon of salt. Stir everything together very nicely and cover your peanuts to steam in the hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes now and our peanut is ready. So we're going to remove everything from the water and strain it very well. Okay, so next we're going to put our peanuts on this tray to dry in the sun for about 1 hour or 2 hours to dry very well. Yes, we need to make sure that this peanut don't have any water on it before we can proceed to the next stage. Alright, so in a bowl I'm going to add in my all-purpose flour, and I'm using 1 cup of all-purpose flour. To that I'm going to add in my milk powder as well. This is 3 tablespoons of milk powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to mix everything together until everything is nice and well incorporated. Okay, so in a different bowl I'm going to crack in 2 eggs, and I'm going to add in some vanilla essence. I'm using 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 5 tablespoons of sugar. Mix everything very well and set it aside. And please, coated peanuts doesn't need a lot of sugar. If you are using my recipe or you are using the exact measurements I use, then you are good to go. But if you are using less, please don't use the exact amount of things I use. Reduce the sugar content for you to get the perfect results you want. And at this point, this is the right consistency I'll be going for. Just look at that. So I'm going to set it aside and proceed to the next stage. Okay, so after 1 hour of drying my peanut, it is all dried now. So I will start my coating by introducing the liquid first before I'll introduce the flour. Yes, so I'm going to coat this for about 3 times before I'll get the perfect result. So I'm starting with the liquid, then I'll add in my flour. After coating it for the first time, I'll introduce the liquid again, then I'll add in the flour. I hope you're all getting what I'm trying to say. So let's watch until I am done coating it. And if you are new to my channel, this is a cooking channel. My name is Efia, and I hope you are enjoying this video and your stay on this channel as well. And if you haven't liked this video yet, please do well to like, comment and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed as well, please do well to subscribe to my channel. While you're subscribing, don't forget to hit that bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you all so much for doing that. And okay, this is my second time of coating my peanuts, and it is looking all perfect already. So I'm going to give this a quick stir again, but I realized this spoon wasn't doing justice to the work, so I have to use my bare hands to do this because our hands do the magic always. Yes, so I'm going to separate the peanuts that are sticking together because I don't want that at all. When you see that your peanuts are sticking together, then you need more flour in your peanut to stop it from sticking together. Yes, so that's what I'm doing right now. And if you're somebody you don't like eggs or you don't eat eggs, you can just omit the eggs and use just sugar and water to coat your peanut, and it works perfectly fine. I will share a recipe on that very soon. Okay, so next we are done coating our peanuts, so we don't need the flour on the peanuts, so we're going to clean all excess flour on our peanuts very well. So with the help of this colander, I'm just going to get rid of excess flour on my peanuts very well. Alright, so now my peanut is all clean now, so I'm going to heat up some oil and fry this peanut very nicely. So in a heated oil, let's add in our peanuts, and we are frying this on medium heat. Make sure this oil is not very hot, and make sure to turn off your flame to low medium heat so you don't burn this peanut, because we want the best and the perfect coated peanut burger. Yes, and if you're thinking of making peanut burger for business purposes, trust me, you'll make a lot of profit because it tastes really good. I really enjoyed myself, guys. So please, if you want to make business out of this is the best business idea for you, because you're going to make a lot of profit out of this. So as you can see, I'm not leaving this on fire at all. I am stirring this until it is nice and golden brown, and at this point I'm just loving the color already. Just look at that, it looks all perfect now. So let's fry this until it is nice and golden brown. And to my lovely returning and new subscribers right here, you guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you all for watching my videos. I truly appreciate your efforts. And ta-da! A coated peanut burger is ready. Just look at the color right now. I am just loving it, guys. What do you think about this peanut burger recipe? My family really enjoyed themselves with this peanut burger, and I know after watching this you are just going to get right into your kitchen and prepare something like this for your family to enjoy as well. And if you've watched this video to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Yes, so if you haven't subscribed as well, please do well to subscribe to my channel. While you're subscribing, don't forget to hit that bell and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.